welcome to the vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some prep for travel. So I get my nails done, I do some packing for Canadian products, and I just pack my luggage in general for the wedding. I hope you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Happy Saturday. It is September 9th and I have done a little bit of packing to prep for travels later this month. Just like notes like in my notepad to be able to like reference when I'm starting to pack. I'm also booking a nail appointment for Tuesday because I think I need my nails done like 2 weeks out because I'm traveling back a little bit sooner. So I think I'm gonna do a blush pink. I really wanted to do like a nude-ish brown, but I don't think I can pull that off, and my dress is also burgundy, so I just feel like a blush pink would kind of just be perfect. And I'm gonna do mani and pedi because I just need both for a black tie wedding to be like fully like together. I ordered the cufflinks and suspenders and bow tie and black tie regular option for that as well, and those should all be here next week, well before we go. I'm really looking forward to filming a bunch of fun like little reels and stuff from this, because I realized that I think I'm only gonna know like 4 people at this wedding, and they're all in the wedding party, like besides Tommy and I, so like, you know, we're just kind of gonna be like strangers like vibing out at a black tie wedding with no friends. And I'm sure it's gonna be fine, but it's gonna be very, very interesting to go to our first black tie wedding and just like it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so crazy. Hello vlog, happy September 12th. I haven't filmed in a couple of days, but I am getting my nails done today. I'm getting a manicure and a pedicure, and I'm very stoked about it. I wish I could book in a facial before I left because apparently my face decided that it was time to go haywire. Look how good they look. This is probably not the best angle, but these are so pretty. They're like a light dusty pink. I didn't go ombre, but I don't regret it. I'm back. So I went grocery shopping and I finished getting my nails done, obviously. These are beautiful, not showing the pedicure. My shoes are nude and they're not gonna be visible with my dress. I just figured it would like really elevate and pull the whole thing together given that it is a black tie affair. I think they put about 4 coats on. He also filed a little too hard here and it's bleeding just a little bit. You can kind of still see my actual white part of my nail underneath it. So it's beautiful. I love it. It's white. It's pink, but it's just almost white. Like it's very, very light pink, but I didn't want just like a full-on white or like a champagne color because those are her colors, so I got like blushish pink. That's the nail update. Very happy about that. I opted out of getting my hair cut because I think I actually really love how it looks when it's this long. I also started packing a little bit last night, but I didn't vlog it. I filmed like a reel of it, so it's just on the channel in like a short. But I went grocery shopping to bring some food back, and in the process got myself a little treat. I got myself a New York cheesecake slice. Got Tommy a piece of a Black Forest cake because he loves Black Forest cake. And then I got a lot of things to bring in the large suitcase that I get to check for free because I'm an Aeroplan member or whatever. So I got 2 bags of all dressed chips because we have visitors currently at my house from Hong Kong. So 2 bags of these to bring home. Got 1 bag of ketchup chips because I do feel like maybe they'll like these or want to try these, but they're a good staple. So we got a bag of this. Special request every time I go back from my father is maple cookies. I got 3 boxes of these because they were like not that expensive by comparison. So all of these were going to go into my checked baggage because I don't have room for this in my carry-on. So yeah, the carry-on is reserved exclusively for the tuxedo and all of Tommy's like accessories, my dress, and all of my makeup and stuff that's super essential that needs to not get lost, even though I'm on a direct flight and there shouldn't be any issue. On the off chance that for some reason it gets stuck here and doesn't actually leave the airport on Friday, I need to make sure that like everything that we need for the festivities that will take place like, you know, 10 days later will actually be on my person. So I also started purchasing my airport snacks. So I need to get goldfish and stuff in the next few days, and I also need to grab like a thing of fruit, and then I have like 2 other snacky things like a little charcuterie set that I usually bring on the plane. I just cannot get over the almond shape. Like I didn't think my nails could look this shape. My middle finger is always like very wide, so I'm so stoked though. It looks so good. I need to go do that. Happy Wednesday night. I'm getting into the swing of packing because I leave on Friday morning very early. So baby suitcase is gonna have everything for the wedding. Even though it's a direct flight, I'm not taking that chance. So Tommy's tux, my dress, and Tommy's shoes are going in here. My shoes are still in Maryland because I left them there in May after my cousin's wedding. So that, and then I'm gonna put in the small makeup items because I do have smaller items under 100 milliliters that will go in here for the wedding. Clothes, I've folded a load of laundry for Tommy there. He leaves later, so he'll pack when he's ready, but I have everything laid out because the weather's also very different in Maryland. It is much warmer in Maryland than it is here. I have a lot of stuff in Maryland I can still wear, so I don't really need to pack too many like sleep shirts and things like that, but I do need to make sure that I pack my flip-flops. And realistically, I'm in my house a lot of those days, so I'm just wearing the same thing. All right, let's do it. Here's one of my new Zara shirts I picked up today. It is almost, I took my watch off. It is 9:30 p.m. I leave at like 5-ish, so because my flight leaves at 8:45, so I'll be up very early. I'll get what I can, but probably won't see me until the plane unless I wake up feeling quite refreshed, but very unlikely. So see you on the plane.